Good evening students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Today we are going to discuss about Tamil Nadu Metric Board 12th class ray optics problem number 8. Okay, in this problem number 8, in Young's double slit experiment, the slits are 2 mm apart and are illuminated with a mixture of two wavelengths lambda naught is equal to 750 nanometer and lambda is equal to 900 nanometer. What is the minimum distance from the common central bright fringe on a screen 2 meter from the slits where a bright fringe from or interference pattern coincide with a bright fringe from the other? Okay students, in this one that is a bright fringe, find out student in this one. Okay students, in this problem, 8th problem, first write the given data. Okay, according this this question, okay, n1, that is the formula in this question, n1 lambda 1 is equal to n2 lambda 2. n1 lambda 1 is equal to n2 lambda 2. n1 by n2 is equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Lambda 2 by lambda 1. Okay, here in this problem lambda 2 is the 900 nanometer. 900 by lambda 1 is the 750. 750. Okay, 0 0 cancel. The next 15 5 15 6, that is equal to 6 by 5. 6 by 5. So minimum n1 and n2 are 6 and 5 respectively. n1 is equal to 6 and n2 is equal to 5. n2 is equal to 5. Okay, then find out in this problem student the minimum distance. The minimum distance from the common central bright fringe. Okay, then find out minimum distance, that is x minimum is equal to n1 lambda 1 d by small letter d. Okay, here n1 is equal to 6. n1 is equal to 6 into lambda 1. Lambda 1 is the 750 nanometer. Okay, 750 into nanometer to convert meter, 10 power minus 9 meter into distance. Okay, the distance between the two, the distance common central bright fringe on a screen 2 meter from the slits. 2 meter from the slits. The distance is 2 meter divided by small letter d. Small letter d is the slits are, the distance two slits are 2 millimeter. Okay, 2 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. Okay, 2 cancel. 10 power minus 3 come to numerator. 10 power plus 3. Then find out, okay, that value 4.5 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3. The minimum distance from the common central bright fringe on a screen, the total value 4.5. 10 power minus 3 meter is nothing but millimeter. Okay, this is the problem. This is the answer, 4.5 millimeter. Okay, according to this question, n1 lambda 1 is equal to n2 lambda 2. Then find out finally the minimum distance from the common bright fringe on a screen. Okay, therefore finally that value minimum distance 4.5 millimeter. This is the 8th problem. 9th problem. In Young's double slit experiment, 62 fringes are seen in visible region for sodium light of wavelength 5893 angstrom. If violet light of wavelength 4359 angstrom is used in place of sodium light, then what is the number of fringes seen? Okay, what is the number of fringes seen? Okay, so find out student the number of fringes seen in violet region in the presence of sodium light. Okay, in this, according to this question from Young's double slit experiment, first to write the given data students. Okay, lambda 1 is equal to 5893 angstrom. 5893 angstrom. Next to lambda 2 is equal to 4359 angstrom. 59 angstrom. Okay, in this problem, so find out the number of fringes. Okay, that formula n1 lambda 1 d by small letter d is equal to n2 lambda 2 d by small letter d. Okay, so the above condition is total extent of fringes is constant for both wavelength. Okay, the first fringe n1 62 into lambda 1 is the 5893 angstrom. Angstrom to convert meter 10 power minus 10. 5893 into 10 power minus 10 into d by small letter d is equal to n2 into 4359 into 10 power minus 10 into d by d. Okay, in this d, capital letter D, small letter d, capital letter D, small letter d. Okay, these two are cancelled. 62 into 5893 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, 10 power minus 10 also. 10 power minus 10 is equal to n2 into, okay, n2 into 4359 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 10 cancel. Remaining n2 is equal to 62 into 5893 divided by 4359. Okay, this total cancellation students, n2 is equal to 83.8. Approximately 84 fringes are seen in violet light region in the presence of sodium light wavelength. Okay, this is the problem. This is the ninth problem. Once listen student. Okay, in this Young's double slit experiment, 62 fringes are seen in visible region for sodium light of wavelength 5893 angstrom. If violet light of wavelength of 4359 angstrom, okay, is used in place of sodium light, then what is the number of fringes seen? Okay, number find out student compulsory using the formula n1 lambda 1 into d by small letter d is equal to n2 lambda 2 d by small letter d. Okay, dd cancel. So remaining n1 is equal to 62 in this problem. 62 fringes are seen. Okay, 62 fringes are seen in visible region. The next violet region, how many number of fringes are seen? Then find out n2 is equal to 84. Okay, this is the ninth problem. 10th problem, last problem in this book back questions, last problem student, 10th question. A compound microscope has a magnifying power of 100. When the image is formed at infinity, the objective has a focal length of 0.5 centimeter and the tube length is 6.5 centimeter. Tube length is 6.5 centimeter. Then find out what is the focal length of the eyepiece. Focal length of the eyepiece. Okay, first to draw the rough diagram students in this compound microscope. Objective and eyepiece. Objective and eyepiece. Okay, in this way. Okay, this is the diagram. Object is situated at one end, one ray parallel to the principal axis, second ray is passing through the optic center, passing through the optic center, okay, in this way. Okay, in this figure, students, okay, this is the image FE, the focal length of the eyepiece, okay, this is the eyepiece, student, eyepiece. And in this one, objective, okay, this is the V naught, okay. In this problem, the objective has a focal length of 0.5 centimeter. Object FO is equal to 0.5 centimeter. The tube length is 6.5 centimeter. Tube length is 6.5 centimeter. The magnifying power is 100. Magnifying power (100). The next VO plus FE is equal to the tube length. Okay, this is the tube length. VO plus FE is equal to 6.5 VO, that is the object. Okay, the distance, image distance, students, from the object to VO plus eyepiece. Okay, eyepiece of focal length. Okay, the total is the tube length is equal to 6.5 centimeter. This is the equation number 1. That is the equation number 1. Magnifying power. The magnifying power is equal to V naught by U naught. Into D by FE, capital letter D by FE, the focal length of eyepiece. Okay, in this formula is the normal distance. Okay, this formula is the normal distance. Magnifying power is equal to V naught by U naught into D by FE. Then magnifying power M is equal to minus of 1 minus V naught by F naught into D by FE. Okay, in this V naught by U naught is equal to 1 by V naught by F naught. Okay, the magnifying power 100 is equal to minus of 1 minus VO. Okay, VO, find out, student, VO by FO is the focal length of the object, 0.5 centimeter into capital letter D. Capital letter D is that is the distance between the two, or 25 by FE. Okay, FE, the focal length of eyepiece. The focal length of eyepiece of find out, student, FE. That is the FE. Okay, next, student, the next continuation. okay, 100 minus 1 minus V naught by 0.5 into 25 by Fe, 25 by Fe. Okay, the cross multiplication 100 Fe is equal to minus 1 minus 2 V naught, 1 minus 2 V naught into 25 into 25. Okay, this one 2 V naught minus 4 Fe is equal to 1. 4 Fe is equal to 1. This is the equation number 2. Okay, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, okay, V naught is equal to simplifying the V naught is equal to 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and Fe is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer. Fe is equal to 2 centimeter is the answer. Okay, in this problem, what is the focal length of the eyepiece? Focal length of the eyepiece. Okay, it's a very important problem for NEET level also, students. A compound microscope has a magnifying power is 100, m is equal to 100. Okay, next, when the image is formed at infinity, the objective has a focal length 0.5 centimeter. Okay, FO is equal to 0.5 centimeter and the tube length is 6.5 centimeter. The tube length means VO plus FE. Okay, the image distance for the objective plus that is the eyepiece, the focal length of eyepiece, the total means that is the tube length is equal to 6.5 centimeter. VO plus FE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Equation number 1. The magnifying power is equal to VO by UO. Okay, V naught by U naught into D by Fe. The D is the distance between the two. Okay, the two eyepieces, that is objective and eyepiece. That is 25 by Fe. Okay, the cross multiplication, then find out focal length of eyepiece and VO. Okay, VO is equal 4.5 and Fe is equal 2 centimeter. These two are equal 6.5 centimeter. Okay, this is the problem, 10th problem. Okay, students, this is the 10 problems of ray optics in Tamil Nadu metric board 12th standard. Okay, hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.